The first person to file for sentencing relief under the Oklahoma Survivors Act will have her day in court in September following months of delays. April Wilkens was convicted in the 1998 death of her ex-fiancé and was granted the right to a hearing back in November under this new law, which could see her resentenced. The law allows for some flexibility in sentencing for defendants whose crimes stem from domestic abuse. Today, Wilkens' attorneys asked a Tulsa County judge to release her under supervision until her hearing. They allege her incarceration is unlawful because of delays. Today, that motion was denied. Wilkens has served 27 years and has never denied pulling the trigger, but says she did so because she was afraid for her life after being held against her will and raped. The Tulsa County District Attorney's Office says, quote, Ms. Wilkens was found guilty by a unanimous jury of her peers for committing the crime of murder in the first degree of Terry Carlton, whom she shot 8 times.
We remain steadfast, we remain fighting for her case, we remain fighting for her freedom, and we believe when we put our case on, the evidence will speak for itself.
There's other cases here in Tulsa County that have been granted that hearing, and that hearing then has been set. Why are those cases moving ahead and not this one? What is the difference
Well, it's
there?
a good question. A lot depends on what the defense is not given to the state. I mean, we, at the beginning, they were representing that they had everything. We did our due diligence to find they didn't have hardly anything from the original murder file. They didn't have police reports. They had minimal information. So in my opinion, it was a bit of a misrepresentation to the court.
Attorneys for Wilkens filed a more than 400-page application for resentencing in August of 2024, which included photos of exhibits, police reports, and transcripts of testimony from the trial, which News Channel 8 has reviewed. Wilkens was in court today. She was shackled and she did not speak. Now, we've been following her story since October of 2022. To see our other reports on April Wilkens, head to our YouTube page, which is Tulsa's News Channel 8.